In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access the marketplace in WordPress in just 5 minutes. Whether you're new to WordPress or just need a quick refresher, this guide has you covered. So let's get started on this simple journey towards exploring the vast offerings of the WordPress marketplace. First things first, let's head over to wordpress.com. Open your favorite web browser and type in wordpress.com in the address bar. Hit enter and you'll be directed to the WordPress homepage. From here, the next step is to log in. You'll notice the login button prominently displayed on the homepage. Go ahead and click on it. This will bring you to the login page. Now, WordPress makes it convenient with several login options. For our purposes today, we'll use the Continue with Google feature. This is a great method, especially if you want to avoid memorizing yet another password. So, find and click on the Continue with Google button. You'll then be prompted to choose your Google account. If you're already logged into your Google account in the same browser, you'll see a list of options. Select the appropriate account you want to log into WordPress with, or alternatively add a new account if necessary. Depending on your security settings, you might have to verify your identity, so keep an eye out for any prompts. Once you're logged in, you're well on your way. The next step is to navigate to the Plugins tab. The Plugins tab is your gateway to the marketplace, a treasure trove of themes and plugins designed to enhance your WordPress site. To get there, click on your site menu and select Plugins tab from the drop-down. This will open a new world of options for customizing and optimizing your website, but let's focus on the marketplace for now. After selecting the Plugins tab, you'll see an option to click on Marketplace. Click it and voila! You've entered the WordPress marketplace. It's here where you can discover a variety of plugins and themes that can transform your WordPress experience. Lastly, don't forget about the search bar. It's an incredibly handy tool sitting right at the top of the marketplace. If you have a specific plugin in mind that you're looking to install, type the name into the search bar and watch the results magically appear. And there you have it. In just a few easy steps, you've accessed the WordPress marketplace where you can enhance and elevate your website like never before. Remember to explore, read reviews, and select plugins or themes that best suit your needs. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you find this guide helpful in your WordPress journey. Until next time, happy browsing.